Yo, what's good everyone? This is EJ from Sofloinspire.
This is Britt from Sofloinspire.
And today we'll be doing the
No Thumb Challenge.
Let's get it!
So for this No Thumb Challenge, we are going to be competing against each other with tape wrapped around our thumbs. So we are going to take this tape, wrap it around our thumbs, and then we're going to compete against each other. So as you can see, we have these water bottles. So we have to try and open the water bottles without thumbs. We're going to play Jenga without thumbs. We're going to open and eat gummy bears without thumbs.
To start this thing, I think the first thing we gotta do is
Grab your drinky drink.
hope that's water in here. And we're gonna tape our fingers. I keep saying fingers or thumbs.
You're gonna take my first.
Yeah. Ladies first.
Oh wait, we're gonna take
both your hands.
take both hands.
Just one.
This feels dangerous. Don't do too tight because I don't want the circulation.
The circulation. And
I just want to say I feel like this is that good tape.
no thumbs.
Ah!
Oh, I mean, my bad. Now you gotta do mine.
Oh.
If I do both of yours, how you gonna take my hand? Open my fingers. No, you tape it. So, whoever loses, there's a consequence for that. So.
Yes, we forgot to mention that.
I'm gonna click the timer. We're gonna get 60 seconds to open this bag of gummies. And we're starting in 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Wait, I'm using my thumb!
And she still lost! How'd she use her thumb and still lose? I won that one. Here, take one. All better?
Hold on, I'm gonna...
Take a break.
No. I'm gonna shout these out right here. These are Black Forest, so juicy, so good, organic gummy beers. These are phenomenal, okay?
Phenomenal.
And sometimes Walgreens sell them for $1. Sometimes.
2 for a dollar.
2 for $1.
That's 1 point for me.
Alright, so now we are doing our second challenge, which is to
Yeah.
open these bottles of water.
And we got actually 30 seconds this time, not 60 seconds.
Mark, get set, go.
This hurts.
Oh my god.
You opened it?
No, I didn't open it. I barely opened it.
30 more seconds.
30 more seconds?
All right. Hey, Mark, get set, go.
Right, like sausage.
I hate Zephyr Hills. But it feels good to win.
Alright, so this is our next challenge. This is the Jenga mini challenge.
What is that? What are we doing?
We're gonna play Jenga without thumbs.
Oh.
Oh.
We're playing Jenga with thumbs, man. Alright, so we got 30 seconds for this
No,
too?
60. We're gonna do
Alright,
60
60
minutes.
seconds
We're
on
gonna
the
play as
clock.
fast as we can.
All right. Hey, Mark, get set, go.
Oh my god, she lost. I lost.
You wanna start over?
Nah, we gotta keep going. The time is ticking. is a tie, alright? So it's
It's not a tie.
a tie.
You're winning.
So 3. I got 3. So the challenge is to actually put a memory card in the camera,
We should move it
take a
out.
photo.
I meant to move it out the way.
Yeah.
I hear that every night. I hear that sound. Alright guys, this is the last challenge. And for this challenge, we are going to have to put on a sweater as fast as possible, okay?
On your mark, get set, go.
I can't believe
That was the easiest one. Yeah! Alright. So it looks like I'm the winner again. No surprise, right? That concludes our games for today, guys.
what happens to the loser?
I guess you guys gotta decide, because I have no clue what we're gonna do.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment below, let us know what we should do next.
Yeah, please feel free to follow us on Instagram, and if you haven't already, subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you soon. Yo. You gotta talk loudly.
Hey!
Not that loud.